Hope I got that on camera. Today, we're taking the entire team on a field trip.
You write like a 5-year-old.
Papa.
You ready to rock, bud?
Papa.
It's a camera.
Why?
Because I film my life.
Oh.
Oh.
Walked out on me like it's nothing. Swore you would never come running back. Handful of nights I was struggling, drowning what you did with a fifth a day. And girl, you moved on quick, then you changed your mind. Want to see me tonight, yeah. I found some greener grass and some new blue eyes. And I can't wait to kiss her in front of you. I can't wait to put you through the hell that you put me through. Baby, I can't wait to see the look on your pretty face when I break your heart in two. Yeah, you know that I can't wait to kiss her in front of you.
So lots going on. Been super busy with stuff with Prytech. If you don't remember, because we've been gone for so long, it's been about a year and a half now. We bought a CM business, which is a construction management business. You see that we do a bunch of work at Toyota. Awesome people over at Tony Graham Toyota have been so kind to put us in trust and build a couple pre-eng buildings with some offices up front with a second floor mezzanine and then a nice big shop. Yeah, pretty cool projects. Some really cool infrastructure going on in them. Really nice clean looks. And right now what I've been focused on is just pushing those through from, you know, idea concept, building the team of engineers around, getting our structural, landscape, civil, pushing through to site plan applications. We submitted for both projects for site plan controls. We got our first reply back. They were deemed incomplete, which is a normal process with the city. I would say 9 times out of 10 gonna come back incomplete because they're gonna want some more info. So now we resubmit. They tell us if it's complete. Then from there, they come back with comments to our plan, tell us to change things. And then what we're doing at the same time is pushing through for building permit on both projects. We're ordering both buildings right now as well. Bunch of different things moving and going on here, but we are in the thick of it. We're super busy, and we also have a really cool, we're doing a 3-story parking garage with the same group. That one's going to be really cool with an underground, with a basement. That's going to be really, really cool project that we're going to be starting next spring, but all the background work starts now, right? So we have to submit within the next 2 months so that it is ready for the springtime, because the lead times at the city and whatnot takes so much time. That's what my focus has been a lot. I know I've been gone definitely for a bit, and now that we have 2 cameras, I'm gonna try to bring you guys around along and show you more of what I'm doing day to day and let you in on some of the info that I'm doing day to day and some of the issues. Biggest thing this week right now for me is gathering all like 4 or 5 different missing pieces from different people, getting it back down into one file and resubmitting. We have a really, really good team helping us on it. It's not like I'm, you know, trying to tackle this alone, but kind of just orchestrating all of it is kind of just a full-time thing. And obviously I'm doing stuff with, you know, still with Ken White, obviously. Both are my main focus, but buying a business, bringing it back to life and trying to grow it requires a lot of attention, and I underestimated that at the very beginning, and now I'm loving it and I'm having so much fun. Right now I'm Prytech, focused on that. About 80%, 20% of my time is Ken White. And while you guys were gone, I had a kid. I have 3 kids now, so that's my life. I'm cutting out my lunch right now. I'm gonna go take some boxing classes so that I can kick ass. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Heck yeah. We're at the pit. We're screening today. Went to go put fuel in everything because Daniel left everything empty. Thanks, Daniel. And we'll go do a little visual inspection of the screens. It was a little bit moist whenever we last did the screening. You can see we added on some new baseballs. What those baseballs do, they rattle the flex screens so that material that's sticky won't stick to them and it bounces off. Soil is super organic, super, super black. It's a little damp, surprising, so we're in a big drought right now. I haven't seen a summer like this in probably 5 years. It's very dry. We're really busy out on site. Daniel's supposed to be doing stuff, obviously, here at the pit. I'm gonna take advantage of the day. I didn't have any meetings for once. Let's do it. I've never ran this before. This is the 80-foot Anaconda that we bought at the beginning of this season. This thing also takes depth, which fucking sucks, but whatever. Got a cat motor in it. Obviously over 75 horse. 300 hours.
4,775 hours. It's got cat motor in it as well. And a belt squill.
Okay. Everything's moving and shaking. We'll have a quick look. Some dry stuff's coming up the end of the belt. Now I got all my PPE on. All right, let's rip. The old 336, and she was empty, so I filled it too. Oil was good. Hydraulic oil was a little low, but we can mess with that later.
Ouch. That hurt.
All right, we're up here screening. Things are going pretty slow. It is pretty, still pretty sticky, which I'm pretty surprised about. So the tailings are coming out pretty clean, so I might speed it up a bit on the belt. We're running at about 2 right now. We'll crank things up to 2.5, 3, sorry. Throughout the day, I'll be able to go faster and faster as things get more dry. The dirt is just sticking in that hopper. I hope I got that on camera. Holy sh**. Well, that was fucking cool. All right, things are going good. We're still screening. It's been about 4 hours now. It's still a little bit damp, so you get these big rushes of material, and the tailings kind of even out after that. It's all stuff you don't want in your soil anyways that's coming out. We put those aside, and you'll be able to rescreen. That's really good. This soil, it'll just keep going out nice and fat. Wow. That stuff's insane. This is probably the best stuff we've ever made. That is wild. So it's going to a high of 91 today. It's currently 89. This is my lunch here today. This stuff dries out. I'm just basically flipping, moving it, the stuff that's been not into the sun, because the sun kind of goes here all day. I've been taking it, flipping it here, messing with it, taking the drier stuff, throwing it in, taking that stuff, putting it where the drier stuff was, and then constantly just rotating. I have 3 different sections. When I screen, that's pretty much how I do it. I have like kind of 2 different or 3 different piles. Today, because it's super wet, I got 3 different.
You know they watch that shit. I ain't even gonna get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma plead the fifth. I put ice in my mouth. Yeah, I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money.
7:10 a.m. and we be headed out to Canada Toyota this morning. The boys finished up at Maribel, looked super nice. Gave Steve, who was kind of looking after it when I wasn't there for me, a compliment and said that's how I would have left it. Especially with, you know, good clients like that, we want to make sure that we are doing the best and then like 10 times better than that. Grande black iced Americano, please. I don't want to be that weirdo that films him at the counter. Why are you filming me? We are pulling up to Toyota where the guys are digging right now, and we are going to be exposing some pipes. That's what we're up to right this second. We bought a new excavator, and it has skid steer mode on it. You use the track, like the joystick, like a skid steer. We bought the 305 because we were on a bunch of jobs and we realized that we needed it, and it's a good size difference from our 8-ton. Just for this smaller stuff, electrical stuff, it's really nice. Okay, I'm checking up on the concrete that we did here. Beautiful morning. So this is the concrete work here. Pad's gonna come out. There's gonna be a stand here. There's gonna be a single car charger. This is the curb we ripped out, so we did curbing, kept it all at the same height, matched it, 30 inches wide. Yeah, it looks really good. They did a good job. Fantastic. Always gotta come and check up on your work. It's nice when stuff all happens the way it should. Let's go. Today, we're taking the entire team on a field trip. A school bus is picking us up. We shut down work for the day, and we are going tubing down the Ottawa River, and then cliff jumping, and then having lunch at a restaurant that overlooks an island. Pretty cool Friday. And look, it's nice and sunny. Everybody's not here because they got to sleep in today. We said come in for 9. The bus picks us up at 10, but I still think a couple guys are gonna trickle in here this morning. Fit check. Oh. Woo, field trip. You excited?
Very excited. Oh, excited.
You ready?
I'm ready, man.
Ready to go,
Let's
Haas?
get her done. Gonna have a good day.
Why is there a pair of underwear on?
How's it going?
Good yourself?
Good. We're going to the Museum of Nature. We tricked you. We're gonna learn about insects. All right, we made it. What do you think?
Go get changed, chill out, relax. Okay. Hopefully the homeless people won't get you here.
Oh,
Hey, bud, when are you expecting? All right, let's go tubing. Let's go tubing. Yeah. Woo!
And if you guys want to start some forums here,
Connor, your librarian is going to teach you how to read.
Yes. you write like a 5-year-old.
Witness Taylor. Connor, why over your zip up? Do you have different colors for more important people?
I have huge anxiety that are gonna pinch my skin. I can't get it.
Wow, you even got your paddles. Alex, you look like a condom. This is pretty cool. There's Parliament right there. Everybody's behind us. Beautiful day, nice hot sunny. Beautiful day. Dad, get in.
Get in, David. I got a rope and tie myself to Connor. He's bringing me home.
Just make sure you have it on me. You have it on me?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been a while since we have made a video. I'm all decked out. I do not dress like this on a normal occasion, but I'm headed to a wedding. Jake, who edits the video, said, we need an outro. You need to summarize what we did. Well, in this video, we did a bunch of everything. And watching it back, I'm like, okay, I really need to hone in on having a specific video for specific topics. So I want you guys to put down below what you guys want me to focus the next video on. I have some ideas, but I want to know exactly what you guys definitely want to see moving forward. I'm trying to work on filming myself and how that kind of all works with the meetings, the calls, and everything else that I'm doing. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. It has been forever, and it feels good to finally upload and get back to it and just share the knowledge of what I'm doing, growing the businesses, and putting it out there. So thank you. Have an awesome day, and we'll catch you on the next one. My daughter is filming me, by the way. Kara, say hi.
Hi.
See you guys.